Hey guys, Jenny PRD, registered dietitian and nutrition expert. Thanks so much for checking in. So this video, I just got back from the grocery store, and as I'm unloading groceries, I decided I'm going to make one about just typical foods that I tend to have on hand, show you some different labels and why I choose different products, just to provide you with some education. So stay tuned for that. But before I get into it, I want to encourage you to please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications, and ring the bell, which is actually really cool because now that I've subscribed to some people and turned on notifications, it's kind of like they text message you when they post a video, so you feel like you're pals, and that's what I want to be to you guys. I want to be your friends and a helpful dietitian. So turn on those notifications and definitely say hi, comment below, and let me know different videos you want to see, different questions you may have about nutrition. So let's get right into it. So this week I decided that we're going to have chili now that it's fall and actually feels like fall. Chili is so easy. I make it in the crock pot, set it on high for 4 hours. You can set it on low for 10 hours. It doesn't matter. But mine, I definitely have put meat in it in the past. But this one I'm going to make is just beans and an onion. You can throw in a green pepper as well and some tomatoes. So really, really easy, really good nutritious food as well. So whenever I buy beans, I try to get no added salt. But the ones that I found at the grocery store are low sodium. So I just, double check the label, which is on the back here. And so sodium in here is 135 milligrams, which is 6%, which is considered low. So anything in the percent column, 5% or less is low, 20% or more is high. So regular canned beans tend to have a lot of salt already added to them. So nix that by getting no added salt or low sodium beans. So with the chili, I'm doing some dark kidney beans, some light kidney beans, and some black beans. I'm going to do some tomato sauce as well, and usually do about a can or two of no added salt tomatoes. I like the diced petite tomatoes. They're really delicious. But again, low sodium all right here. So as I add chili powder and different herbs and spices, going to give it so much flavoring. Again, I mentioned the onion, the pepper, that's going to help for sure. Definitely throw some garlic in there as well. And so to make this a more well-rounded meal, right? We have complex carbs in the chili or the beans and some fiber. I'm going to definitely add some olive oil or canola oil in there for some healthy fats, and the beans also have protein. So this is plenty just for a meal, but not so hearty, if you will. So we love to have our chili with chips. So I took a look, in the chip aisle, and there's so many delicious options, but they might not be so healthy for us. Baked tortilla chips are a fantastic option. They could be kind of more expensive, and the bag is so small, but I found these chips, and they are so fabulous. They have flaxseed in them, and there's actually fiber in them. They're not too high in fat, and again, the fat in this is healthy fat because it's made with canola, olive oil, things like that. So again, it's just a better for you chip. So we're going to have that with our chili, and we'll top it, of course, with some sharp white cheddar. So delicious meal that I have coming up this week, and looking forward to that. So some other pantry staples I have for you, aside from tomatoes and beans, are crackers. Crackers are a fantastic portable snack, a great accompany to lunch, things like that. So there's so many crackers to choose from, right? So I tend to get Triscuits, and I've talked about this in a bunch of videos already, but I love crackers, and wheat thins. Guys, they come in so many different flavors, and they're so delicious. They're very comparable when it comes to a serving size. Now, when you look at the serving size, you're going to have to look at the weight, right? So this one is 15 crackers. This one's only 6 crackers because these are bigger crackers, and these are smaller crackers, so you get more. So if you're somebody who feels like they need to be eating more, I would choose a smaller cracker. Pairing it with cheese, some hummus, some crackers, or some other vegetables, things like that, to just make it a well-rounded snack. But again, these are fantastic choices, and again, they come in so many different flavors. And these are a staple in my house. My husband loves them, my babies love them, so it's definitely a win. Whole grain wheat is the first ingredient, and there's 3 grams of fiber per serving. So they are definitely a fantastic, healthy cracker. Another staple in my house is bread, but not any bread. It's this wonderful Sara Lee delightful bread. So for 2 slices, it's 90 calories and 5 grams of fiber. So rule of thumb, when you are choosing a whole wheat bread, first ingredient, you want it to be whole wheat, which this is. You want there to be at least 3 grams of fiber per 100 calories. So this has 5 grams of fiber for only 90 calories. So it's like a triple win and beyond. We have bread often, whether it's toast or with sandwiches, accompanied with eggs. You know, so many different things you can do with bread, as you I'm sure are aware. But a great heart healthy bread, whole grain, again, source of fiber, things like that. We need women at least 25 grams of fiber a day, and men under 50, 38 grams. Seems impossible. So you have to be really mindful in the different things that you're eating to get you to those numbers for healthy bowel movements and just heart health and overall wellness. Let's see, some other staples that I have. Well, this is, I think, going to be a new staple. I wanted like fried chicken, right? But I'm like not going to fry chicken. So I baked chicken, and guys, it was so delicious. I'm going to put it on my Instagram page, but it was just amazing. I simply added these whole wheat panko breadcrumbs. They are plain, and I seasoned them myself with some garlic and parsley and some Parmesan cheese. Mix it all together. Dipped the chicken in the egg wash. Baked it in the oven, kind of on one of those cookie cooling racks, so it's up off the baking dish, and it just crisped all around. But guys, there is 3 grams of fiber in this. 3 grams of fiber in 1/3 of a cup. So again, you're not going to have 1/3 of a cup on a piece of chicken. But again, all those little fibers here and there, whether it's in your breadcrumbs, it's in your crackers, in your bread, things like that, is all going to help you get to that 25 grams if you're a woman under 50, and 38 grams if you're a man under 50. Men over 50, you need 30 grams, and women over 50, you need 21 grams. So either way, you need lots of fiber in your life, and it's good for you. So I think that's about it for my pantry staples, but I think I'll shoot a lot more videos with grocery shopping. I've had a few comments with just like quick, easy meals to make, as well as what I get from the grocery store. So hopefully these are helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and let's come up with a fun question for you guys. What is your favorite thing to make? Whether it's baking or cooking, and it could be a breakfast food, it could be a dinner, appetizer, lunch, whatever. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.